Excellency Gdja Sladjana, our guest of honor today, Minister Đorđević, Excellencies, Ambassadors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all of you for attending today's awarding ceremony in the honor of His Excellency Mrs. Sladjana Prica Tavčiovska, former Ambassador of the Republic of Serbia to the Kingdom of Morocco. By virtue of the powers conferred on me, in my capacity of Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of His Majesty the King of Morocco to the Republic of Serbia, it is a great honor for me to present you, Mrs. Sladjana Prica, the royal decoration awarded to you by His Majesty King Mohammed VI. May God assist him.
La tâche la plus difficile pour moi, c'était de choisir la robe et la langue. Najteži zadatak mi je bio da izaberem haljinu i jezik na kome ću se obratiti. Votre Excellence, Monsieur l'Ambassadeur du Royaume du Maroc, cher ami, Amin Belkaj, Madame l'Ambassadrice, je suis aujourd'hui devant vous, devant Monsieur le Ministre, à qui je suis reconnaissant d'être ici aujourd'hui avec nous. Danas sam sa vama i zahvaljujem se i vama, gospodine ministre, kao i svim ostalim visokim državnicima, predstavnicima mnogobrojnih ministarstava i institucija, ali i svojim prijateljima, bliskim, dragim ljudima i svojim rođacima koji su došli da sa nama, sa mnom, podele ovaj veliki dan. Bez svih vas ja ovo ne bi danas doživela. Većina vas, pretpostavljam, uglavnom govori srpski, but I will translate shortly by myself. I would like to thank to all of you, dear colleagues, especially those who taught me how to exercise my job, to be a good diplomat, to represent my country wherever I am. I'm grateful to you, Excellencies, especially to some ambassadors, Ambassador of Turkey, Shukran, teşekkür ederim. To the Ambassador of Austria, to the Ambassador of Sweden, to the Ambassador of Palestine, who is almost 40 years my friend. We know each other from the youth time. Palestine is here also. For me, it's a big honor, big day. Za mene je ovo veliki dan i velika čast. Ali to je čast i za moju zemlju i nadam se veliki dan za budućnost odnosa naše dve zemlje, Kraljevine Maroka i Republike Srbije. I did it my best. I like Morocco, I like Moroccans. I became Rabatija, which means ja sam volela i još više zavolela Maroko. Učinila sam najbolje što mogu i postala sam Rabatija, to znači Rabaćanka.